don't matter because they are contrivances of a kind. At 3A, are relating this to other texts we know. Well, obviously comedies come to mind. Oscar Wilde's Importance of Being Earnest, I mentioned as well, Pygmalion. For those of you who maybe know the play My Fair Lady's playing a similar kind of game. Shakespeare's comedies, Midsummer Night's Dream, Much Ado About Nothing come to mind, right? As do any number of other Shakespeare plays where you have this game getting played. We can even think of Taming of the Shrew for that matter. Finally, at 3B, how can you relate to this kind of a text personally? What was a time when you mistook appearance for reality? That's a fair question as we relate it to this play. How about this one? What was a time that you colluded, right, to overthrow the wishes of someone older than you in some kind of creative way? And finally, what was a time in your life when you did stoop to conquer and you were able to kind of, give a little to get a lot type of thing, right? And how that worked out for you. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the She Stoops to Conquer comedy. I hope you get a chance to look at it. It's a fun play to watch.